engineered with a high-speed rotary system reaching up to 10,000 RPM. Our electric fabric shaver revolutionizes the depilling and defuzzing process for your clothes, sofas, beddings, and fabric furniture. Featuring an advanced 6-leaf stainless steel sharp blade design and a large shaving head, it outperforms traditional 3-blade options, boasting 80% faster efficiency. Say farewell to worn fabrics and rejuvenate them within minutes. The ALIEXPACK lint remover is gentle on most fabrics, making it suitable for a wide range of clothing, including sweaters, coats, shirts, leggings, couches, curtains, bedding, blankets, plush toys, and car pillows. Its improved design ensures the removal of loose fuzz balls and pills without causing damage or pulling out additional materials. Operating the lint remover is a breeze. Simply press the power gear button to select the appropriate speed gear 1, 2, 3 based on the fabric's softness and the length of lint. The longer the lint, the higher the selected gear. It accommodates various materials like wool coats, sweaters, sofas, and blankets. Unlike other lint removers that require frequent battery replacements, our electric lint remover boasts a rechargeable battery that fully charges in just 50 minutes. This not only saves on battery costs, but also helps keep your clothes and furniture well maintained. The 3-gear indicators flash during low battery and stop when fully charged, offering convenient charging options, such as a computer or power bank. Equipped with a large lint container, our sweater shaver allows for longer use without frequent emptying, enhancing convenience. The honeycomb mesh cover with 3 hole sizes ensures suitability for all lint sizes, providing comprehensive protection for your clothes. Safety is our utmost priority, and our fabric shaver is equipped with dual protection features. The bionic honeycomb mesh prevents fabric damage, and the charging protection ensures safety during the charging process. For your peace of mind, the shaver automatically turns off after 30 minutes of operation for safety and motor lifespan. Cleaning is simple. Hold the power button to power off, then open the container cover and use the included electrostatic brush.